Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Fusion Plus, and let me show you all secret codes which will work on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and let me show you the first code. It will be *pound *pound 4636 pound *pound*. And as you can see, we are in a testing mode, so we can, for example, check the phone information, and as you can see, we are provided with a lot of phone info. What's more, we can find some advanced settings. Simply tap on this three dots icon, and here we can, for example, select ratio band or enable data connection. Let's get back. What's more, you can of course choose usage statistics or check Wi-Fi info. Let me check it. For example, Wi-Fi status. Let's refresh, and as you can see, we are provided with detailed info. Let's get back to the dialer and let me show you another code. It will be *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, now we are provided with email info and serial number of this device. Let's click on OK and get back. Now let me type *pound 225 pound *pound*. And here we've got some calendar info, so you are provided with all the events which are saved in your calendar. Let's get back again and let's type *pound 426 pound *pound*. And here we are in a diagnostic mode, so we can check the events and also the status. What's more, you can show the advanced view. Simply tap on this three dots icon and click on advanced view. And after getting back to status, we've got a lot of info. Let's get back and let me show you *pound 2486 pound *pound*. And as you can see, here we are in an engineering mode. This is a cool option to check if everything works finely in your device. Let's click on menu mode, and as you can see, here we've got a lot of options to check. For example, we can check the battery. Here we've got the battery info. Let's get back. We can check, for example, the display. And let's tap on black, for example. If you see the black screen, then it means that it is working. For example, the grayscale. And of course, if you see something like this, then it means that your device works perfectly fine. Let's get back. What's more, you can check, for example, maybe the touch screen, and simply tap on it and check and follow the lines in order to check if the whole screen is working. So that's all. And let me show you the last code. It will be *pound 07 pound. And here we are provided with the regulatory information. So that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Motorola One Fusion Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.